Welcome to my another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to upload a product by manually in Shopify store, because most of the time we take products from different type of website by link, but who are working on Google Merchant Center, that person must be need to upload a product by manually. So firstly you go open your store and then go to this product option. After that you can see there have the add product, so I just click the add product option. And after that you can see this is the dashboard and you have to put all documents. So firstly you just write here the title. So I uh, rotate my title. I just copy and paste here. After that you can see there have the description option. Also I copy the description and I just put here. After that media, what is media? Media is accept image, video or 3D model. So you can add your video or picture in here. Also add file or add from URL. By this way you can add it. So I just want to add it by this file. So I click here and I downloaded my unique product. This is the product and I open it, and you can see the product is uploading here. Okay, and after that you can see this is the price option. So how much price will you put here? Before adding price you have to research your all competitors and then you put your price. So I just have the added the some requirement, so $25. And if you want to compare price you can add it here. I to add it compare price $35. After that you can see there have the very important part, and there is a charge tax on this product. So if you want to take charge from this product then you just click here, and if you don't want to take charge tax then you don't put that tick mark here. Okay, so I don't want to take the charge and I also want to take charge, whatever you're thinking. And after that you see there is the another option, inventory. What is inventory? Inventory means the different parts. So SQ means your product have the unique code. When we go to the store or online shop then we can see the barcode or unique code. So I just put here any kinds of unique code. After that here is the track quantity. So what is track quantity? Track quantity means you have to added how much product have in your store. But if you don't track quantity, then when your customer go to your store for buying any product then they don't see the how much product are available. And so I put here this those masses products are available in my store. And also another say, and the barcode means UPCGTIN. This is the product category and product barcode. When you go to business on USA or UK then you have to buy this barcode. After the shipping, this is the physical product, and if your product have weight then you can put here. So I just write the this is the weight. Okay, and after that the custom information. Custom information means country or region of or again I mean which country you want to do business. You can say select country or region. You go to the here, and you selected your targeted country. After that A says harmonized system, this code is don't needed. And the last one is option. What is option? option is that you can see this product has an option like size or color. If your product have size, color or variant, then must have to select this option. Then see option name. So size, color, material, style. So I want to size. So what is the size? Small, medium, large, XL, double XL. Okay, and then done. And if you want to add in more uh, variant, then you can see the add another option. Then color, this what is the color? This color is white. Okay, this is the white, and add another option. This is would be uh, gender, and this I will be man. Okay, so this is my variant option, and you can see behind the product type what is the type. This is the t-shirt. Okay, this vendor name will be your store name. Most of the person they don't know and they don't understand what will be the vendor name. So vendor name will be your store name. Then collection, you just selected whatever collection you want, and new arrival or best selling product, and tag after t-shirt, t-shirt. You just put the tag option. Okay, and after that you added your picture. Maybe some issue my picture is not added. Okay, no problem, I added the another picture. Okay, then see. Okay, and you go to the save option. So this is the way to uploading the product by manually, and this is not a very hard task. And after that I will show another. Just wait, and I save it. Okay, my product already saved, and let's see the score, and you can see there I have no added the product. Okay, after saving you go to your variant and added your all product. Okay, all product, and also your quantity. So how much quantity have, you must added all product quantity. Then your customer won't be available to take this product. And now I'm going to view this product. Then how is looking now? It's very nice. Okay, so in this way you can uploading your product, and if you facing any kinds of problem, then you just contact with our website and contact with our WhatsApp number. Okay,